Hey everyone, here is our third and final article about chytrid fungus and frogs. Analyze this. Amphibian populations are on the decline. The chytrid fungus has been wiping out frogs around the world. This is an endangered mossy red-eyed frog from Honduras. Its species is among at least 500 whose numbers have declined due to chytrid fungal infections, a new tally shows. This article is also published in 2019, so a couple years ago, but it goes along with the others that we've read. A deadly disease has been traveling around the world for more than 3 decades now. It's called Batrachochytrium dendrobatitis, or BD. It's a fungal pathogen that infects the skin of frogs, toads, and other amphibians. A related fungus, B. salamandivorans, infects salamanders and newts. Together, these pathogens are known as chytrids because the disease they cause is called chytridiomycosis. Scientists have known that these pathogens can be deadly. They have documented the effect that chytrids have had on amphibian populations. Now researchers have tallied up the effects of one chytrid, BD, on species around the world. Their report appeared in March 29th in the journal Science. BD has played a role in the decline of some 500 amphibian species in the past 50 years, scientists found. Australia and the Americans have been especially hard hit, but these declines have occurred around the world except in Asia. That's where the fungus is thought to originate. The pathogens may be responsible for the extinction of as many as 90 species, researchers report. Others are still in peril. About 40% of those 500 species are still declining in numbers, and about 1 in every 4 of those species now holds on to less than a tenth of their former population size. And here we have a chart, a graph, and it shows the amphibian declines due to the chytrid fungus in Mesoamerica. In this graph, you can see severity is listed on the x-axis and species number is listed on the y-axis. And this is the severity of decline. Dark blue is 20%, 20 to 90% is in light blue, greater than 90% is in yellow, presumed to be extinct is in bright red, and extinct is in maroon. And this shows in Central America, Mexico, and the Caribbean islands, a region known as Mesoamerica has been hard hit by the chytrid fungal infections. This chart divvies up the species into how much their population numbers have declined due to the fungus. By looking at this graph, you're going to answer the following questions. Number 1, what does each bar in the chart above represent? Number 2, according to the chart, how many species in Mesoamerica have gone extinct or presumed extinct due to the chytrid fungus? Number 3, can you determine from this chart if there are any species that have not been affected by the chytrid fungus? Explain your answer. Number 4, what is the overall message of this chart? What does it tell you about the effect of the chytrid fungi in Mesoamerica? And number 5, critique the chart. How could you improve it? Or is there another way that you could present this data?